As it turned out, the 2024 Moto Guzzi Stelvio takes the same engine found in the V100 Mandello, but integrates it into a new frame and kits the finished machine out with a host of features that invite riders to spend more time in the saddle. 2024 Stelvio features include a semi-adjustable Sachs front fork and a kib shock absorber with a remote adjuster knob, Brembo brakes, cornering abs, cruise control, and traction control and abs that are switchable in off-road mode. The most attention-grabbing feature on the Stelvio, however, is undoubtedly the Piaggio Fast Forward PFF rider assistance system. It's a radar-assisted electronics suite developed by Piaggio Fast Forward. You might remember this arm of Piaggio from the Gita. This brand new innovation from Piaggio offers riders things like following cruise control, forward collision warning, blind spot information system, and lane change assist. The system won't come on all 2024 Stelvios, but it will be available as a factory option for riders that want it. For 2024, the Moto Guzzi Stelvio will be available in your choice of two matte colors, Giallo Savannah or Nero Volcano. A wide range of factory accessories are also available to complement either bike. These include desirable touring accessories like hard side cases, top boxes, heated seats, and heated grips. Recent Guzzis have been nicely made, well presented, and properly screwed together, and there's no reason to think the Stelvio won't be robust, reliable, and able to hold on to its value. A few smaller details don't perhaps quite give the premium feel of bikes like the Ducati Multistrada. The display isn't quite as slick or intuitive, and a few fasteners are acceptable rather than exceptional. But the overall feel and look of the Stelvio are in line with its price. It's a fine thing.